Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on Stevie's blog and Piper's. And there's Piper. She's just fixing something. So today we are going to be making, I'm really into horses. And I've made these before, but I've lost them. So we are going to be making horse blankets, a rug. So these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a little model. And my sister has one for a foal.
Because I have a model horse that's a brown horse, and she has a white heart on her nose, and she's a foal, and her name's Beatrice.
Yes, that's our future pony's name. And yeah.
I just named her that because I want to name the horse that we're both gonna get. Remember?
Yeah, we're gonna get a pony. Well, maybe not a pony, maybe a horse, because ponies are
we
really
don't know, but I just want to
But
name
anyways,
that.
you're gonna need a paper. And you could always use the paper to measure your horse. Like it's gonna go on them like this, but like that. And then you're gonna need
almost like a finger.
Any type of
You almost matches my thumb.
Any type of fabric. Piper's is this beautiful one. I have a nice checkered one for Diamond and for her baby. Well, maybe not for her baby, for Beatrice, because Diamond is a beautiful model horse. You're gonna need obviously scissors to cut it. And if you're not old enough, of course, ask for supervision. You're gonna need like
me, I'm 7 years old. If I want to do this on my own, I have to ask for supervision.
Yeah, you're gonna need a needle to attach stuff together, and last what?
Sometimes I get scared of those because they're really pokey.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get scared of them that they're gonna poke me.
And this is optional, but I think I'm gonna add them.
They're like sprinkles.
They are these little bows you can add. They're optional. You can add anything, honestly. You could add, I don't know, like patches. Like right here I have a bunch of different patches and stuff that you could cut and then add on there, like it was worn or something. But yeah, those are totally optional. So let's get started. So first you're going to start by getting your piece of paper and then your fabric. So grab your fabric and then you're going to lay it down, and you could lay yours down. So you're going to lay it down. You can't see mine because
mine goes straight up and yours goes like here. It's a square thing.
And if you can, try to make it in the corner just like that so you don't waste much fabric. But you're gonna want some access.
Then crafting a long time.
You're gonna use the needles, and you're gonna want to ask for supervision if you're not old enough. So Piper, I'm gonna help you.
Orange one. And then the next one I'm gonna have yellow.
Piper, I'm old enough because I do sewing a lot, and so I have a lot of
crafty stuff.
I have experience with these.
Whoa.
So I'm, of course, going to help Piper. So it's funny because she likes to choose colors. So you're just going to poke it through.
Since you picked two, I'm having two. I'm having these ones. It's not enough for me. You picked three and I picked two.
Well, I picked 4.
My favorite colors are orange and yellow because they're kind of like sunny colors.
Okay,
and
then Piper is actually I'm gonna help you guys help her show the process.
No. I wanted those colors.
So you're gonna lay it out nice.
I'm sitting on a box.
And you're gonna stick it through. Hold on, let me put it on the table just to get it a little started. You're gonna poke it through just like that, and then scrunch it and poke it through just like that. So that's what you're gonna do.
Can I do the next one?
Well, I'm gonna help you because I don't want you to get hurt. Because it's really easy to get hurt from these things. It doesn't feel too splendid. So you're going to do the same thing with the next one. She could have used 4, but for now we only have 6.
Wait, where did you get 4?
I got them from where I got these ones. So they're going to look just like that.
Oh.
And then I'm going to help her with the next part also. But she's doing most of it. She's going to help. Yeah. So.
I'm trying to put on my own together.
So, yeah.
There.
And then you're going to want to cut it. And this, you're going to want to ask for help. But since she's 7 and she's used scissors.
I'm really good at cutting.
She's used scissors in school and stuff.
I've used it lots of times.
So she's gonna be able to do it. So my mom is coming. So
Oh, hi, girls.
hi.
What are you making?
We're doing a YouTube video.
Oh, sorry. I won't interrupt.
Sorry, that was my mom.
Oh, Coco.
She loves horses too. So any access stuff you could always recycle. Pay attention. And you're gonna want to cut off just like that, and then you're gonna cut the small stuff. So she's gonna do it. You're gonna cut it that way and that way, like a box. She's very concentrated. But don't forget to subscribe and like. I will be posting more videos and do the notifications. I will be doing a lot more horse plus model videos and stuff like that.
Nobody heard me.
What?
Nothing.
She's very concentrated.
It's really hard, but this is what I started on.
Okay. So she's, as you can tell, she did most of it.
Yeah.
Hard.
I'm good at cutting only on lines on the paper, not lines like this. Or papers on there. I'm not really good at cutting those out.
So and we're gonna recycle.
I got the little baby kind.
And then you're gonna get your thing and cut the middle of where the horse's neck should go.
Can I do this part on my own?
Sure.
I really know how to do it.
So you're just gonna cut where that really curved line. And these small scraps you can just throw away because I don't think you could really use them for anything except for patching on small things.
Or sewing.
So it gets really hard with that. So if it gets too hard with the extra stuff, you could just cut it off and that'll be good. So you're just gonna keep cutting and snipping away. Now with the big one, it'll take longer and stuff.
Because it's bigger.
Because it's
Then-
bigger and it has more space. But for the small one, it might be a little bit harder because this
Ow.
spot right here, it's smaller, so it might be a bit
Okay,
harder.
now I cut.
So I'm gonna.
What are these bows for?
You could use those for decoration or anything.
Ooh. I'm just gonna use the green one when we're doing the decoration.
Oh, are you okay?
Ow.
Are you okay? Coco came over here like, what happened? I'm the boss.
If you don't know who Coco is, she's our little doggy.
She's my dog, yeah.
Wanna see her?
There she is.
Not really excited right now.
She seems
There's
like
only
it.
scrapes like on my leg. I'm not too excited.
So this part, towards the end, it'll get a
I
little
don't want to
hard.
fall again.
Okay, and then you're gonna do like that. Ooh. I got my hands definitely exercised. So it should look like this. Very boring. But we're gonna wait for her to do the next part. And yeah. So I will be doing another video of, because I am getting in some new model horse saddles and bridles and they're different colors, colored. Yeah. Just like that. Perfect. So I'm
Kind
gonna
of off the edge.
I'm gonna help her trim away any excess or anything like that. I will be posting a lot more videos though, just because we have been very busy. We have a ranch with goats, chickens, ducks.
And we also saw some eggs and honey.
Yeah, we sell eggs and honey. Pickle Gypsy Ranch in California.
Yeah.
You could buy eggs. There's a little pulp thing, and we do have a business, so it should look like that.
Yeah.
And then the next, very clumsy. So the next thing you're gonna do is pull these out. All right, Piper, are you gonna pull them out?
Yeah.
So you're gonna pull the needles out and stick them anywhere where you have
I
space.
poked you. Wait,
Okay.
how are they gonna stay together?
Oh, Piper, you have to go like that so they don't roll away. One of them just rolled away.
Oh no.
So
Where is it? I don't want to step on any needles.
here, let me see.
Let me get off my chair.
You're leaning, you're gonna fall.
Let me get off the chair because it's not even a chair.
So, this is why you should. Oh, found it. I'm the hero. I found it. So then it should look like this once it's all out.
I just sit on a box and just.
And then you could get Velcro or any like things that connect together and connect those one right here and then one on the faded side, and then you could put it on the horse.
Yeah.
And that's it for today. And yes, you can actually, before we leave, you could put these on.
You can decorate it.
You could decorate it.
You can glue it
names
on.
Glue it, tape it, anything that works for you. Velcro it, so if you don't want it on, then
Or anything that you have, you can use glue if you have it, or if you don't have it, you can use just tape.
just like
We
that.
mostly don't have that much tape, so we mostly use glue.
But anyways, that's good for today, guys. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bar. See you later in the next vlog. Bye!